Welcome to the desk build. Today we are working on my desk in Fullerton, California. First thing I'm going to do is wipe down the desk, make sure it's clean. And of course, cable management is super important when it comes to these desk build series. So everything has a cable tie, everything has a spot, and you'll see me organizing and putting stuff together. There's my wife popping in for a second, but it's mostly me just working here. I do have a GoPro as my overhead camera, and this camera has a power cable and an HDMI. This cable sleeve is called an expandable braid sleeving. So you can look for that on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. It comes in either white or black. Another name I've seen for it is Pet Expandable Braided Sleeving Black by Alex Tech. So this protects the cable, and also if you have more than one cable going in the same direction or along the same path, you can combine those cables within a single sleeve. And you'll see me working on those cable ties behind the desk, making sure the cables are neat. We're going to introduce the keyboard and mouse. Same thing with those. We want to have a path. Now, I could do a wireless keyboard, but I found that the wired keyboard and mouse, I don't have to worry about batteries, and everything tends to work better with a wired setup instead of wireless. Now, I do have a laptop and a iMac in this setup, and I am kind of doing some work here in the background. I'm running a webcast as I'm going through and organizing this stuff. So I'm trying not to unplug computers and stay hardline connected into stuff. That's why you'll see the phone is open and I have headphones at one point as well. I am bouncing back and forth with the client and the stream. So here I am again, working ahead on the cables, making sure everything's routed well and secured well against the back of the desk. This is a custom top for the desk made out of 1-inch thick wood, which I do enjoy. I've had it for a while. I ended up taking it to the garage and routing off the edges a little bit, but that's for another video. All right, finally I jump over to the garage and I am building a riser for a teleprompter setup. And so this riser allows the camera to sit closer to eye level. And so it's just made out of a 1/2-inch plywood. So you'll see that rough construction there and then the spray paint at the end. And this is what the teleprompter looks like in its final form. As you can tell, it rises the camera up a little bit and puts it closer to eye level. So I like it. It's worked well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.